This other one is applying mine.
They are calling. They're like, okay, the boat is too close.
What they gonna do when they come for you?
There's a baby in the middle of the head.
Yeah, so they're protecting them.
Because it's protected by adults. It's in the middle of the mothers.
Oh my gosh, just small head.
Turn again, turn again.
How you be crossing it and trying to come across? They pushing them, teaching them to swim. The little one. No, she push them down.
These are boys.
He's helping him.
You gotta learn how to swim.
They'll play and show dominance over the other by mounting.
This other one is applying mine.
Like, get off of me. Get off of me.
They play with you.
Let me turn around and hit you. It wasn't not playing. You're a bully in the back.
Go ahead, hurry up.
Yeah, just wait till you get on there.
I'm gonna fight you.
How do you know the last one will be? Okay.
Females have got well pronounced forehead.
Oh, really?
This is all going to do
The same.
at the same speed.
Well, look, oh, there's the baby.
This guy right here is doing something.
Yeah.
Who's just sitting there watching?
Right here.
It's like, they're so tiny. But actually, they cross the line.
Well, that one just stopped.
They had babies. They had tried. You never tried the bones? I don't see babies.
You're trying to help that baby.
Right, that's what I'm saying, the baby. You prayed well. Large numbers of elephants will see.
Yeah, it's a good day, right?
That's a good day. I'm working with part of your days.
Yeah.
No, don't come too close.
You gotta save some of the juice for later. Yeah, mine is out, yeah.
Not too supposed to get some mud thrown on you.
Oh, look at mud.
I'm the last one I hit it. Start playing around. I guess that was their place.
To start.
You see that one, you pulling them out and getting them strong. I tell you, yeah, come on. They should love the one. Yeah, splash your mud, yeah.
The mud look like a sunscreen.
Yeah.
Insect repellent.
Baby gonna fit on. Baby gonna fit
Oh,
on.
look at the fan.
Baby wants to roll. He's just getting, trying to say the mud feels nice now, maybe like, I just had the water now, I need something on my skin.
Oh my God.
Oh, look at that, they're gorgeous. Look at them in the natural habitat.
Look at the baby.
She rolling around in the mud, yeah.
Michelle,
The baby.
good call.
Thank you.
Good call.
Yeah, ready to go on. It's like we're right in the middle of the habitat. Oh, you just light up right there. Chill. Yeah, that's what they probably do this time of day. Yeah. They go into the come across, eat whatever, come in and then go cool down in the mud there. Wow. Where is the whole skin now with the mud?
The boat so that
You can all pass.
protect us from the
He's like, oh, they left me, let me go. Let me catch up. Look at that baby too. That's how the baby decides to get himself.
people pay a lot of money just to go and do this.
Okay, so this one right here, the
Mud,
That again?
mud in the skin.
forehead.
Other people that will use mud.
Yeah, you know, go to the spa. Get the mud
But the mud
back.
bath, yeah.
What's the matter with this one?
Missy Vaughn. Really about to roll around in that dirty mud.
The baby.
Messed up. She got the
That's a female.
So that one is still running by herself? Yeah. With the baby still?
Yeah, it's very sexy. You never know because these are different families. They are
In different families, okay.
So babies can easily get lost.
Oh,
Then from family. So the mother will keep on searching and sometimes you'll find it. Maybe you'll never know. Maybe it's still with the close relatives. So they end up also taking care of